pleasant day to all of you. Today, let's discuss and find out my experience during the Typhoon Ondoy in the year of 2009. When Typhoon Ondoy landed in the Philippines, many people fell victim to this typhoon, and we are also one of the victim of the typhoon. I can't quite imagine that typhoon was so strong. Many people were not prepared for the Typhoon Ondoy because they thought it was not strong. People used to think it was just a simple typhoon, but until it got stronger, many have experienced flooding their house due to the low position in their area. We were one of those who sank in the house. Then, we also had a hard time evacuating our equipment. Then, due to the size of the flood, but we were together as a family and helped to save our equipment. We evacuate our belongings, things, then we brought it upstairs of our house, and there we first temporarily stay. I cannot fully imagine that many suffer, strave, lost their jobs, then due to the Typhoon Ondoy also died during the time of typhoon. Was our investment to overcome such a situation, and many have a good will to willing to help us, and to all of the victims of the typhoon, and we are very grateful for all the relief goods